Wakagurani.
Yes. Ungituika mundu ururaga. You see everyone in this town, particularly Nairobi, here you are sphere of operation. Yes. Tell you manya an ordinary day. Ya kuri. Ya jasima many day. Dore kira tomboya. Yes.
Wakija tauni.
Ugothi wigira ithaka mukunji. Yes.
No thie muthurwa.
No thie muthurwa. Kana skirwo hare ugo mathare. Yes. Kana skithirio muthaiga. Yes.
Kana riciri. Ucoke umire oguo.
Itondu wacukithirio hare ya mathareri. Hajiko stage ingi. We highway neri hatiko stage nginyo Guru Nanak. Yes. Riu o mundu ri sphere of operation
nima.
Yes.
Gukirigana na kuria mundu atindaga
niguo. Nona ku uria Nairobi gayanitio ri noguo gukorwo na moda soparande itiganite. Yes. True guko ni uthia na ukuguo gwetagwo kwandanga. Yes. Ego kunyumba simenyagwo na kindu gito address. Yes.
Code physical address.
Yes.
Really works.
You can wanna thikiriria the name you kaigwa 911 what's the emergency? I've got an attempted break-in into my house. What's your address? 911 Houston Street.
TPO box.
Okay, do you have somewhere you can hide yourself? Hang in there. The feds will be there in 5 minutes, okay? Okay, you're right? You want to stay on the phone with me? Can you see the assailant? Can you see him? You see the assailant? The feds are on their way, ma'am. Ma'am, I need you to stay with me on the phone, ma'am. All right, ma'am? I'm so scared. I don't know what to say. The door. It's okay, ma'am. They'll be there. They're 3 minutes out, ma'am. You said your address is 911 Houston Street. 919.
Go in the fast world.
Yes. No, na go kuri okuduge ho address ya ithemba kiu. Guku ni gutigana kidogo. Tondu guku uri no mwaka waje na kiugo unaona.
Ate unaona.
Ati ninaendelea? Wako ngapi? Uko wapi? Unaona base.
Na guko unaona ri is the beginning of a long explanation.
Very long. Unaona ukiwa red soil. Utaenda kwa shule. Teremkia pale kuna mtu anatengenezaga viatu. Kuna kuale bili wacha ya kwanza.
Kuja mpaka uone mulika mwisi.
Ukiona mulika mwisi kuna building bili utaona mpya. Moja imeandikwa Sukawa. Sukawa ndio huko niko 3rd floor. No response here on a polisi ni mageragia. Yes. Tumesema wapi? Unajua Mulela. You have even asked the police.
None siwa kana moyo kodu ku.
Yes. Wewe uko kwa unapigia simu kutoka wapi? Niko hapa 618 Thigiri Road. 618 Thigiri Road. Utaingia hapo kwa Runda Close. Tuko hapo. Nimesika nakuja. It's organized. Ona thigari moka nimekuona ke.
Nimekuona kule the address ile barererwo.
Yes.
Yona ni ukora kuna ginya gate ni nyandike namba.
Ni nyandike.
Yes.
It's very clear.
Yes.
Ona ti no kwaja kumwe tukoragwo uga ona namba icio ni cia kwineana.
Some trust issues.
Atumesema wapi? Angalia unaona ukifika pale panaitagwa kona mbaya. Kona mbaya. Wacha pita soko yote ndani. Ukifuka leli. Waitoga gotikole. Wewe kuire ilikuwa danga.
Otire.
You don't like loud noises.
Ukifuka leli.
Yo le voy a ir a mudar ya te va a rogar. Acio kondo guothe uigua nĩ ũkũrũga reri. You know you are just, it's about to go down.
You're about to have quite a journey.
Kuja na reli.
Sasa nakuja na reli yaje.
Unaona kwa reli mahali nasukisaga watu unajua?
Ndio nimesimama.
Hii ya commuter. Hii ya commuter ya Loilo. Kuja wataalam. No, response cannot be the same.
It can't be.
Cannot. Eni ona Google Map ri. Nesikarago gũcikerigithia gũkũ tũkoragwo. No kũrĩa gũkũ itang'aire Spring Valley, Runda, Tiger, Lavington, yes, Kirarapon, Thigiri, gũkũ gũtwo Balozi Estate. Nĩguo yakũra in 300 meters at the T junction. Slide right. Yes.
Riu na kuona guku tukoragwo ri.
Yes.
Ni ukora mapu-ini uria rauga ndu gugithia na mapu uria yaco.
Yes.
Riu ni ukora guku nginya farasi ya ngira mbirwo.
Yes.
Fara ndire na thuru.
Kana hali ino igikwira slide right ri ikoragwo na ka exit kahana targa curve. Tita yo titan. Slide left. Riu guku slide left ri tugucagia hau tukahanda mieu.
You can't slide. Kana hakora nginya ni hake ena matuka.
Wale hau guku tukoragwo ri. Owe kaigua Google Map yakwira atiriri. Turn left, then turn left. Orire. Na nuona taru guku riu. Wadanga. Wene nishi. Yaru thura kutaithi. Nuigua ona ora farari. Ekwiraga in 300 meters make a U-turn. Ore ande kuhea mita icio ciothe. Ekwira make a U-turn.
Ore thagia hari onge U-turn rokaga.
Make a U-turn. Really, other ginya geographical future. Yes, an institution. Yes. Head northwest past. Head northwest past CNAP headquarters. Kule wewe na yona hawaje gani. Continue for 2 kilometers. Ya ukira tone thara mutheri. Ekara ko tu kan ginyo kamera na one.
No ko tukoragwo ri. Ni kuri mathina maina yake.
Yes.
Tariu gukura na mbura nene ri. He bara imwe riu citaragerwo.
Yes.
No riu Google no gukura we othie na bareo.
Yes.
Waikia ritho karigwa.
Continue for 3 kilometers. You're on the fastest route.
Waroro mbere ukona herega kugera.
Woko don't give me trust. You also have to be cautious of the security situation.
Another physical.
Ekinya andu agura slide right. One adu mere right here.
Agora kene mo. Timia nembo.
O ateka profiling ngoka. Mama hiyo wewe ndio utaenda hiyo.
Na itio no wagothie.
Bana. No. Kaya mwaka ni karato hiki.
Tareke lakini wega cira-ini ga kamburo.
Yes.
Raitiire urerwo cira-ini ri.
Yes. In 300 meters at the junction, take the next right. Proceed for 2 kilometers. This is because you get now. Yes.
Na goko tari wa ngoro ni highways ri.
Yes.
Highways cia class A.
Yes.
Class B. Na C.
And these states that have planned.
Ku wakaga perfectly.
Planned this fara ni uria kibo. Yes.
Na fara ciothe ni ire maritwa.
Yes. Ona ni tamukaga wega. At Spring Valley Close, turn right. Head northwest 2 words. Think you will reach. You're on the fastest lane. You're on the fastest lane despite usual traffic. Traffic where you are, you figure it out. You will figure it out. Yes. Head northwest. In 300 meters, at the take the next left. Turn left and to Kenya jeru.
No, na huko tukoragwo ona ni kuri bara nyingi mundo ciitagwo one name.
Yani name. Tayo hendo ndathiaga kuzire. Yake yenya mwito Google irajiria atiriri. Can't find a way there.
You are on your own.
You go back to your ancestral.
You can't find a way.
Yes, it said that literally.
You know the traditional methods.
I heard you do the in 300 meters, I'll stop on us Slide right. You're on the fastest route. In 300 meters at the roundabout, how roundabout nearly
Basically hatire.
Nearly
Google hena roundabout.
We're on a totuka. No, we have a case.
Roundabout.
Take the second exit. Second exit in the Hamotura.
Wewe magari yasipitangi hapo.
Unaenda wapi wewe? Exit the roundabout. To go where? Hapa magari yasiingi bwana.
Rudi huko.
Utakwama. Hapa ile kitu unapita tu ni nduthi. Exit the roundabout. Which one?
Era tumia.
Shut down.
Eva queda na volta.